In this video, I will show you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got this Google Sheet opened, and the first thing you're going to want to do is select the cell that you want to add a drop-down list to. So if I take this one for example, I'm going to click to select the cell. Once you've done that, come up to the top and click onto data. Now on this menu that comes up, what you want to do is come down and click onto data validation, and that's going to open up a window on the right hand side. In this window, click the add raw button. Where it says apply to range, this is basically the cell you've selected, so you can see it's on default. For criteria, make sure this is selected to drop down, and then what you can do is add the different options for your drop down list. So say for example this was related to food, I can put for option 1 pizza, and for option 2 let's go for pasta. You can also change the colour if you come to the left hand side, so let's go for red for pizza and let's go for blue for pasta. You can also add additional options by clicking the add another item, and you can of course delete options as well by clicking the little trash can next to each option. Once you've created your drop down list, just come and click done at the bottom, and you can see that's now been created. So whenever we click onto here, as you can see we've now got our drop down list, and you can of course select it from here. You can also add and edit this even further by coming and clicking onto the pencil icon which says edit button. It's going to open up the drop down list where you can make further edits and customize and options and things like that as well. So that is how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.